Spark your child's creativity with our next gadget, the Draw Lines Follow toy. Say goodbye to traditional toys and hello to innovation. With its inductive technology, this electric robot follows any line you draw, turning playtime into a magical learning experience. Get ready to inspire imagination and curiosity with this adorable penguin toy. Bring home the future with our next gadget, the intelligent voice interaction remote control robot. Say goodbye to ordinary toys and hello to interactive companions. With its voice interaction and dancing capabilities, this robot is more than just a toy. It's a friend. Get ready for endless adventures and laughter with this futuristic pet. Keep your home safe and sound with our next gadget, the Security Solo 2K Indoor Cam. Say goodbye to worries and hello to peace of mind. With its pan and tilt capabilities and human AI voice assistant, this camera ensures round-the-clock surveillance and protection. Get ready to take control of your home security like never before. Delight your little one with our next gadget, the Baby Crawling Toys with Sound. Say goodbye to boredom and hello to endless giggles. With its adorable design and sound effects, this electric baby doll is sure to keep your baby entertained for hours on end. Get ready for smiles and laughter with this irresistible toy. Make a splash with our final gadget, the electric water gun. Say goodbye to ordinary water fights and hello to high-pressure fun. With its fully automatic suction and high-pressure capabilities, this water blaster takes water battles to the next level. Get ready to cool off and conquer the summer heat with this ultimate pool toy. And there you have it, Tech Tribe, the top 20 gadgets you must experience for a tech-filled life. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and gadget updates. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of tech with Tech Tribe gadgets. Thanks for watching.